This is an announcement for week 4, CIS180, and this week we'll be doing some reading on code, adding code to your app, and I'll go ahead and go there on the week 4 read and do. Week 4 read and do should bring you to this app or this page here. Do the reading. This is lesson 4 on the concept of event-driven programming. So read the text and look at the visual examples here, which have you do a click event on a button and adding some code to that button at the end of it, so you can actually just follow that example and create that little Windows application. When you're done, it should look something like this. The take-home homework is using ampersand and concatenation along with form level text boxes to tell everybody about you using your picture, some text boxes, and a button. So that is week 4. Also on the reading, you also have for week 4 the assignment this week. Week 4 assignment on creating an app called About Me. Podcast has already been posted. Make sure and watch that before creating the app. Form name FRM main. Add a picture box. Find the property in the picture box that imports the image of yourself. I would recommend when you take a picture of yourself that you import it into your computer. Size-wise, if you want to resize it, you can. You don't have to. Before importing it, I would recommend about no wider than 800 pixels wide. Really, like a 400 pixels would be fine, but no wider than 800. And then you can figure out when you bring the picture in the property that allows to make it fit correctly in that picture box. And so just play around with the properties in the text box, and that will help you figure that one out. In fact, I've got mine up here real quick. I can show you a little tip there on that one. If you scroll down to the very bottom property, you'll notice on mine, when I click on this text property, the size mode of mine is zoom right now. If I set to normal, notice how big it is. That's meaning it doesn't do anything to the picture. If I do stretch mode, it really stretches it out. Auto size makes it huge. Center image, it'll look good. Zoom, this one actually is perfect. It zooms to the size of the picture box and puts it in the proper constraint. So I'd recommend the zoom property to set it correctly in the size mode. As far as importing, it's going to be the property called image to help you out. Okay, going back. So once you put the properties on the form, name everything correctly, including the form, you'll put code in the button that will pop up a message box. So extra credit on this one would be maybe adding a close button, focusing on the setting focus to the text full name when the app runs, as some examples or suggestions. Once you're finished, you'll submit that to week 4 assignments after you compress the folder for the week. Just also another tip on that one before I go to the next one. This link here at the bottom of every assignment for each week on the packaging and sending program assignments, course success. Recommend reading that because it'll show you how to find the folder, what folder you need each week, how to compress it, name it, and to upload it. This link here will give a final solution for that week, a programming solution. You can click on that as well to help you see what the app looks like. That way, if you come in problems with yours, you can compare it to the programming solution. Also this week is a discussion on what does code allow you to do in a program? What does code allow you to do in a program? So answer that honestly. And then that's it for week 4. So let's have a great week.